Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner and I'm a licensed real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. And today we are looking at a property in Riberas. The price of this house is excellent. It even has a pool and it is listed for $278,000 US. So it's excellent. I super love the charm of this house. I really like the kitchen. It's really cute and it comes furnished, which is great because it's going to give you a head start. Whatever you don't like, obviously you just take out of the house and you replace. Whatever you love, you keep. And yeah, so before we get started, I just need to tell you about our businesses. Estrellita's Bed and Breakfast and El Gato Feo Café in Ajijic Centro. We are walkable to everything. The Malecon, Ajijic Plaza, all your shopping and your dining. And yeah, everybody seems to love our place when they stay with us, especially because when you have breakfast with us in the mornings, it's a community table situation. So you get to sit with people who are here for the first time or people who have been here before and share some information with them. And if you would like some more information on either the bed and breakfast or the cafe, you can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, to the cafe, and also to the MLS here in this area, so you can browse homes at your leisure and see what we have on inventory. So yeah, and then if you click the contact link, you can fill out that form submission and it will go straight to my inbox and I can answer you straight from there and we can start a dialogue. And whether you're looking to buy or you're looking to sell, we can talk and we can chat on there. Okay, so all right, let's go check out this property.
Hasta el amanecer, yo me quise quedar.
This home is listed for $278,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 195 square meters or 2,099 square feet. The lot size is 300 square meters or 3,229 square feet. It is not located in a gated community. It comes furnished and it is in Riberas del Pilar.
Con un brindis final se acabó el tango dulce y la inolvidable noche celestial. Se fue y apagaron las luces y no nos importó porque el tango era dulce, la gente se durmió, nos quedamos solitos, dos corazones unidos como un tango bonito. Llegó el amanecer con un brindis final. Se acabó el tango dulce y la inolvidable noche celestial.
All right, guys, the home we're checking out is located right here. And this is in Upper Riberas. So this is Riberas here. You've got San Antonio over here to the west and Chapala over here to the east. And if we get a little bit closer to this house, you've got a little bit of construction going on over here in this area, but nothing too crazy. I think mostly this is an empty lot that they're not really doing anything with. But the rest of the neighborhood is actually pretty nice. All these homes through here are beautiful. And this can bop around over here and go out onto the main highway. So you are only like a block and a half, a block from the main highway right here. Ola Market is like a little supermarket that has a lot of Costco goods. So if you need to do grocery shopping, you can actually do it right here at Ola Market. Just walk right over. Huerto Cafe is pretty popular. It's very good. What do we got here? I have never been here, but I have heard great things. So that's there. And what else? Doppio Cafe is excellent. You could even walk over there and get your morning coffee if you'd like. So yeah, there's quite a bit going on. Mom's Deli is popular as well. A lot of stuff going on. Oh, Pancho's is right here, only 2 blocks away. I didn't even notice. Okay, so yeah, good area to live. And Riberas is kind of known, they don't take care of their streets too well, but as more people start moving in here and some things are happening through Riberas, they're starting to repair a lot of the streets in this area. But this particular section right here actually has very nice streets. It's cobblestone. It's all of Riberas is cobblestone. So it's all cobblestone through here, but it's not torn up like some parts of Riberas. And some parts of Riberas are just dirt roads. So that is not the case here. It's actually pretty nice. Let's see. Okay, what else is near us? So you've got San Antonio right over here. It's like a 5-minute drive into this area. You've got La Paseña, is a very good seafood restaurant. You've got the mall right here, Walmart, AutoZone. You can go into San Antonio Tlacopan into the center to hang out there. Adelita's Bar and Grill is very delicious. So yeah, you've got lots of options. And then you're walkable to this little park that's right here on the lake too. So that's nice. Okay, so to walk over to Ola Market would take you 2 minutes. You could either walk to Pancho's, which would take 7 minutes, or you could drive and it'll take 2 minutes. To drive over to Ajijic Centro would be 14 minutes. To drive to Chapala Centro would take you 10 minutes. And to get to the airport would be a 54-minute drive. Looks like you've got some traffic here, so maybe cut that down by 10 or 15 minutes. It would only take about 40 to 45 minutes. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, excellent. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And if you'd like to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.